Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to see much of that today. A brief period of some mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon hours, a very slight chance of a sprinkle, as well as some increasing winds. So we could see a wind divider this afternoon. Chances of the sprinkles are about 10 to 15%, so very unlikely we do see them. But cannot rule it out as we do have a weak boundary moving through for this afternoon. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this warm front that's going to be moving through today, and that's going to give us our chance of that sprinkle this afternoon, as well as tightening the pressure gradient across the region. That's going to provide us with our chance of a wind advisory for this afternoon as well. Taking a look at our current observation, few at 12,000, scattered at 25,000, southwest winds at 7 knots, temperature 37 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have some mid-level cloud cover and upper-level cloud cover across the area. That's going to be the case for much of the day today. We'll see some cloud cover around 8 to 10,000 feet really start to build down into the region once we move in the afternoon hours with that warm front. So taking a look at the HRM model for today, you see the cloud cover on there is the white colors, and the derived reflectivity is the green, yellows, and blues. You can see some rain showers trying to move towards the central peninsula once we move into this afternoon. But overall, those chances look pretty slim. HRM does bring in a additional chance of a brief sprinkle for later this afternoon or the early evening hours across Wallops. But as I mentioned, those chances are very slim today, anywhere from about 10 to 15%. So staying in the green on our risk chart for today, across the board for precip and lightning, a high around 57 today, so mild. And then we'll see a low tonight of 33. Expected winds to calm tonight to near calm winds, or die down to near calm winds, I should say. And we'll have variable winds less than 5 knots. Today, we'll see those winds out of the west-southwest to west with a gust of 26 knots for this afternoon. So chance we do have that wind advisory. And that would most likely come during the early afternoon hours today. On 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. A very slight chance we have some ceilings down to possibly 4,000 to 6,000 feet if we do see a brief sprinkle in the area. But overall, that would be a very slight chance of occurring. Our cloud cover will be anywhere from about 8,000 to 12,000 feet today in general. Could see some ceilings around 8,000 to 10,000 feet, as I mentioned. And then tonight, we'll see those ceilings raise well up into the upper atmosphere with some cirrus moving in, and a broken deck around 25,000 feet tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy, mild and slightly breezy, high 57. Right now it looks like the wind should be off the water on Wednesday. That should cap our temperatures at Wallops in the mid to upper 50s. If those winds do become more southwesterly, couldn't rule out temperatures in the near 60 degrees for Wednesday, but overall should see temperatures in the mid upper 50s at Wallops. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, a low of 40. We'll see those winds possibly near 23, 24 knots during their evening hours on Wednesday before they calm down overnight. And then for Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and seasonable, a high of 51 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.